Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fit a Ford Ranger canopy. Before you begin, it is crucial to gather all your tools, including a tape measure, a drill, and the specific clamps provided with your canopy. Make sure your truck bed is thoroughly cleaned and free of any dirt or debris, as this ensures a proper seal. Also, take a moment to inspect your new canopy for any potential damage or missing pieces before you start the installation. Now, with a helper, carefully lift the canopy and gently place it onto your Ford Ranger's bed rails. Take your time to align it perfectly, ensuring it sits flush and evenly on all sides. Once positioned, use the specialized clamps that came with your canopy to secure it. Typically, you will use 4 to 6 clamps, evenly spaced, to ensure a very firm and stable attachment to the truck bed. Next, it is time to handle any electrical connections. If your canopy has interior lights, brake lights, or power outlets, carefully connect the wiring according to the manufacturer's instructions. After that, apply the provided weather stripping or a suitable sealant around the entire base of the canopy. This critical step creates a watertight seal, protecting your cargo from the elements. Finally, test all electrical components to confirm they are working perfectly. For your final steps, double-check every single clamp and bolt to ensure they are all tightened securely. Give the canopy a gentle shake to confirm it is firmly attached and stable. Also, take a close look around the entire perimeter for any potential gaps that might allow water to seep in. Remember, regular maintenance, like checking the mounting hardware every few months, will keep your canopy secure and performing well for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.